Hello and welcome everyone to our channel Basic ICT PNG. In this video, we give an example of how to use a formula and how to use a function to calculate the same expression. All right. But to recap from our previous videos, formula is user defined, while function is inbuilt formula that uses specific arguments. Okay, which means the formula uses Excel operators while function uses union and range operators. Okay, so let's see an example. When movement formula is a user-defined equation or function, uh, user-defined calculation, this is what we mean. All right. For example, 1 plus 1, our answer is 2, right? Okay, so let's use a formula to do this. We go. In this case, we'll be using formulas using values and functions using values. We're going to use this 1 plus 1 here. Okay, so we go. And in our previous videos, we saw that every function or formula must start with an equal sign. So we go equals 1 plus 1. And we press enter. It gives us 2. Right? Where did our equals 1 plus 1 go? It's up here on the formula bar. So equals 1 plus 1 equals 1 plus 1. That's the value would be 2. Now equal sign, argument 1, operator, argument 2. Alright, let's move across to function. Now we will calculate this using function. We'll insert a function. When we insert a function, our answer should be 2. Okay, so functions are inbuilt formulas that use specific arrangement. So we go up to function. That's the first step. We search for the function. What are we trying to do? We're trying to find the sum. So we find sum. We click sum and click go. We type sum and we click go. As you can see, it selects a function. It shows the list of functions from which it will select. Function is already selected. We click OK. So when you select that, look up here on your spreadsheet. See if you select sum, then you see an equal sign is already given. All right, after you select the function name, an equal sign is already given. Next, when you click OK, you see the arguments window appears. So here you're supposed to supply your arguments. Now in our case here, we are not using cell referencing. Here we use values. So in our function we also use values. So we supply, instead of a cell reference or cell address, we supply argument. Our argument 1 is 1 and our argument 2 is 1. There are only 2 arguments in this function now, and we click OK. Our answer is 2. Let's show our formulas. As you can see here, this is using values, this is using values. Formula using values to calculate, and using function using values. So this is how a formula looks like when we type it ourselves. This is how a function looks like when we inserted it. So that's the difference between formula and function. Thank you for watching. Subscribe if you have not subscribed, or press the notification bell if you want to see more of such videos. See you in the next video.